Hi, I'm Glenn. I just found the perfect door gym bar. Strong steel threaded rod through the centre, left hand, right hand thread, so when you turn the centre, the ends go in or out depending on which way you turn. So in the kit, you get the bar, you get 2 plastic locating lugs and 2 screws. Now before you order, measure your doorway. Get on Lazada, that's where I bought mine. I'm in the Philippines. Cheap, 230 pesos, which is $5.80 Australian. Get your drill. Screwdriver. Put the lugs in, locating lugs. Get your bar. Over there like that. Do it up. These are rated for 100 kilos. I'm less. I'm less. And then just practice. Do whatever you like. Have a low bar, you can have a high bar. The training's up to you and the fun begins. See you later. Go buy one.